Hey everyone, we have an exciting day today. We are going to bring you along, but first we need to get gas. And here in Canada, gas is pretty expensive. So, but it's actually not as expensive where we are than if we were in Vancouver. Vancouver is much more expensive. Right now it's 107.9, and so we come to Superstore, which is like a grocery store, and if you buy the gas here, then you can get I think it's like 3.5 cents for a little voucher that you can use when you go shopping. And we always come here shopping anyways. So how much is gas where you live? Because I know Stewart's parents in Ontario, their gas is way cheaper than in BC, so it's not bad. 107.9, not too bad.
It's not that bad. There's lots of spots. Yeah, we didn't bring bags.
Didn't know we needed bags. Oh, we are bringing you along to apple picking today.
Yeah, Honeycrisp apples. Oh.
So, this is Taves Family Farm in Abbotsford, and why we specifically came here is because they have Honeycrisp apples, which is Stewart's favorite.
They certainly are. I will drive a long way for a Honeycrisp apple, and I couldn't find them anywhere else yet. They're just what I like to eat.
So
I intend on picking quite a few.
But we forgot to bring bags. Apparently, we should bring bags.
I think so. I think we should have brought something to put them in, but I'm sure they'll have something there for us. It's just going to cost us a little more.
So we'll figure it out for you just in case you want to come here.
Next time. I think we can actually just go in and ask.
Yeah, because it's long.
I would like 2 25-pound bags.
You pay after you pay.
We'll get one.
Sweet. So I don't have enough cash.
Thank you.
Cheers. Which way do we go for the Honeycrisp one? Thank you.
So we got our bags. We got 25-pound bag.
I like these bags too. They seem terrible. I want Honeycrisp. Get away from me, food cheese.
There's the Honeycrisp.
This is what we've come for.
They're all falling on the ground.
You're gonna go further down. See, this one's a little greener than I would like, but it has the added benefit of being markless. Which is good.
Are both sides Honeycrisp?
I don't know. I know this side is. I think both sides are. So I'm gonna get.
So what we're looking for is...
Let's see if these are up to Stewart's. Which he likes. Spotsy? No spots.
Also, I was reading that if when you pick an apple, you shouldn't. It should just fall off. Basically, that's how you know it's ready to be picked. Shouldn't have to work too hard. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna take this one, but I wouldn't normally. This is what I don't. I like the red throughout, sparkled with green, which probably means it's a little tartar. I don't like the marks on the top. I don't like that at all. And then when it came off, looks like I bruised the top of it a bit. I'm gonna put it in my bag anyway. I feel like if I take it, I should take it. But this isn't my best choice. This wasn't my best work.
Oh.
And this person shouldn't be parking this close to the side. Okay. I'm gonna be going out the
Yes, you're going the wrong way. Bye bye
Tell me
farm.
whether I'm clear or not.
You're clear.
Thank you.
Bye bye farm.
That was actually relatively quick.
So we are
Sweating.
done. What did you think?
I thought it was good. I didn't. Last time I went, I've been there before. And the last
You pick last time though.
No, I just went in. I found about it late in the season because I couldn't find Honeycrisp apples anywhere. So I started Googling it, and I was commuting back from the interior or the Fraser Valley to Vancouver, and I was Googling it, and I found this place, and I stopped over, and they had bags left over, and I took those. They were excellent. So hopefully
And it just started like August 28th was the first day that you could do U-Pick. So I think it lasts until October.
Yeah, it looked like that. Although even now you're seeing some of the trees are getting pretty picked over. Like there's still lots of apples there, don't get me wrong, but there's certainly some trees that have been completely, like, someone has come and picked every apple off of them. So I would suggest if you are in the market for some Honeycrisp apple and you do want to pick them yourself, you should go sooner rather than later, because it's just gonna get worse. And there's always, like, you know, some apples that are getting too much sun and some that aren't getting enough. So you have to, if you want to be able to pick between them, you got to go sooner rather than later. I actually wish I would have gone a few days ago. Anyway.
Well, I still had a good time, and so we got 2 25-pound bags, and I didn't fill all of mine. Stewart filled his. But so it's $1 per pound for the $25 bag. But if you buy more than 25 pounds, it's 88 cents a pound, which is, it's not bad. Like I saw apples yesterday at Superstore for $1.90 a pound.
And Applecrisp apples usually go for
like $2, $3
$3 a pound.
So for 88 cents a pound,
really good deal.
I think we had 31 pounds of apples or something like that, and we paid $28, which was amazing. So
The question is whether I can eat all of those apples. I think I'll be able to.
that's the question.
I believe in myself.
Anyway, so now we are heading to Costco, try to pick some things up, and then we'll head home. So I think,
Yeah.
thanks for watching.